MTT6. This is a continuation really of MTT5. So we've got question 4 at the beginning here because it continues from the last week. Look at the following music. Add bar lines to agree with the time signatures. So we've got a time signature of 3/8. That's 3 crotchet beats. So, 3 quaver beats. So we count the quaver beats. 1, 2, 3, bar line. 1, 2, 3, bar line. 1, 2, 3, bar line. 1, 2, 3. So we do the same here. I'll do one for you. 2, 2 means 2 minim beats. So we count the minims. So that's 1, 2, that's a minim plus another minim. So we want a bar line. 1, 2, minim. 1, 2, minim. And that's a semi-brief. So that's 2 minims. Okay? And you can see the number of bar lines we're looking for, 3 in each one. Okay? So I'll let you finish that. And question 5. Write 4-bar rhythms using the note and rest values you know. Include at least 3 rests in each rhythm. So another example of one of these creative ones where you can do whatever rhythms you want. Okay? Just make sure they add up to the right number of beats. They should be grouped in the right way and include 3 rests in each one. I'll do one for you. So 2, 2. We've got 2 minims. There you go. That's the simplest thing. Could have a crotchet rest, and a minim. We could have something more interesting, a dotted crotchet and quaver. That's a minim plus a minim rest. And then maybe we'll have something more complicated again. A quaver rest with a quaver, and then a crotchet rest, and then that's 1, 2. So I need a minim to finish that off. Okay. All right. So you just check your work. That's 2 minims there. That's 1 minim, 2 minims. That's 1, 2. That's quarter, that's 1, 2. Okay. So over the page, you've got question 6 here. So it says the following music contains mistakes in the grouping of notes and rests. Write it out correctly. So remember, when you're talking about grouping notes and rests, you need to look at the time signature and see how they should be grouped. So what does this time signature mean? This is Alabrev. It means 2, 2. So 2 minims per bar. So all of them should be grouped in minims as much as they can. But you know, within reason, you don't need to. If you've got 2 minims tied together, that's unnecessary. You can still make that a semi-brief. That's fine. Same thing here. We're grouping that. We don't need to. That tie is unnecessary, but it's necessary to go across the bar. And then we can group all of these quavers, beam them all into a minim, okay, into a whole minim beat, I mean. Okay, so I'll do this one for you. So we'll copy out the clef, the treble clef. It's a Alabrev again. That's 2, 2. So first of all, we see we've got 2 crotchets beamed. That's unnecessary because they're the same. So we can just turn that into a minim. And then we've got, that's fine. So we've got a crotchet and a crotchet. Okay, bar line. And then this is unnecessary. So we can turn that into a semi-brief, but that is tied to this crotchet. We've got another crotchet here, and then a minim that's tied to this crotchet. So all of that's fine. Nothing wrong with that. And this is all fine too. So not much to put right in that one. But you can see you get 4 marks. 4 marks, 1 mark for each bar looking like this. Okay, so I'll let you do the next one. Well, all of these. So good luck with MTT6.